Most creators don't realize they are on Stripe's restricted list until their account is shut down. Here's how to check in under a minute. Here's a quick way to see if your business might be at risk with Stripe. Just search Stripe restricted businesses in Google and open the official page. Then press Ctrl F or Command F and type your niche, like creator, coaching, or whatever you do. If it shows up, that's a clear warning that Stripe may not support you long term. It only takes a minute to find out. That's why so many creators move to Easy Pay Direct. Instead of leaving you to figure it out later, they underwrite your account upfront. That way, you are paired with a bank that already approves your business model. On top of that, you get features like transaction routing and mobile payments, making it easy to stay stable and accept payments anywhere. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can check it out. If you're ready for a processor that actually supports content creators from day one, getting started with EasyPay Direct is simple. Just fill out the sign up form and you will have a reliable merchant account built to last. The link's waiting for you in the description.